Good day everyone, and Jomar de Guzman. My activity 4 is about how does social media marketing influence the values. Let's likes. Social media marketing plays an important role in shaping consumers' values, lifestyle, and buying habits since most people often use applications like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. Advertising online, influencer, trends, and reviews may affect people's preference regarding how they have dressed, eat, and purchase certain goods. Consumers may become interested in product due to virus reviews and promotions or influencer recommendation found on social networks. Social media marketing. Social media marketing contribute to creating trends which motivate people to purchase goods to look trend or in line with the latest vision. These factors causes people to buy in nursery things. I'm Jomar de Guzman. My last activity 4 is about social media marketing. Thank you.